What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. Pallet Idea Edition. Yes, and I'm so very happy to be back with y'all for yet another build. Now, as you saw on the thumbnail, you see what it's going to be. As you can see, there is nothing here yet. I do have some pallet boards over here that I went on ahead and pulled because it looks like it's going to rain, which I say that quite a bit, but we probably will get rain this time now. Showing you those clouds may or may not have done anything for you. However, when I see them, I know it is dark. Now, it should be a lot lighter than what it is, but it is what it is. As you can see, I even have a light in the background just to add extra light. But anyway, all that to say, I'm excited to do these stools. And I mean, it's dual purpose. Like, it could be a stool, it could be an ottoman, it could be a plant holder, it could be what you need it to be. But I realized that I needed something extra to put like on the end of the chairs. One, that my kids can sit on. Two, that planters, can sit on. Or three, I can just kick my feet up or things like that when I'm out there in the back. Or it's just, extra end table at the end of the day. So hopefully I can build two of these bad boys in this video for you all so that you can look at this and say, I can do it too. At the end of the day, that's what it's all about. And then from there, like, we'll see what color we're going to paint it, because we'll probably paint it like an accent color for the pallet deck and things like that. And so, yeah, man. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And the way I'm going to like measure how high I want it to be is in accordance with a kiddie chair. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So boom, I have Rain's kitty chair. Well, actually it's like Rain and Ricky. They both sit on it and use it when they're eating at their little table. What I'm looking to have is a ottoman situation, end table ordeal, the size of this here chair. Okay, so even when we're like outside in the front yard, the kids can just sit on it and things like that. Like, that is the idea for this build. Okay, I'm thinking about the kids, I'm thinking about planters, I'm thinking about convenience, I'm thinking about, boom, I want to put a little drink, boom, put it right there. Or we outside and want to play, boom, sit something right there. It's multi-purpose, ever so useful wooden end table. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. I already put my pallet wood, as I showed you, sitting over there, and now I'm going to measure everything out to the measurements that I want it to be, which I'll put that all in the description below. And from there, I'm gonna just go ahead and put this thing together. Okay, sounds like a plan? Let me know in the comment section below what color you think it should be. Okay, now of course we have blue and we have the brown deck in the bottom. Maybe this is the gold piece. Okay, we've been talking about gold pieces. Maybe this could be the gold piece, and frankly, it could be gold. So hey, let me know in the comment section below. But as you're like scrolling down and type that, let me go ahead and do this build. Okay. As you can see, I had to do like a little support beam because my situation wasn't like standing up the way I wanted it to be. So I just made the little support beams and then like, make sure it stands up and all that good stuff. If that don't make sense, just this is what I'm talking about. Watch this. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have a finished stool. Now, this is the first one. This is like the test pallet situation scenario. It has some weight to it, so this is definitely not kids not gonna be moving this around easily. Oh man, it's actually Pretty sturdy. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Boom. It's a pretty sturdy scenario, you know. I just need to sand the sides just to make sure, you know, I don't get any splinters or things like that. But, you know, I'm in here. Like, I actually feel pretty comfortable. I feel pretty safe. This is nice. Crystal can sit on this when we're outside in the front, you know, playing with the kids. I feel like you can't see me or whatever. But anyway, Crystal can sit on this when we're playing with the kids. It's sturdy enough for her. Therefore, sturdy enough for the kids and also planters and things like that. The only thing different that I would do with the next one, let me sit on it again. I would just make it lower. Make it lower for the kids. I feel like this is still just a little bit too high for the kids to come and step on, or excuse me, come and sit on. But well, let me see. Let me just pull Rain out and let's see. Let me see you try to get on the chair. Okay. Let's see how it works. Can you sit on there?
Can you help me sit on there?
You need help? Yeah. Is it too high?
No.
It's too high?
No.
Oh, go ahead.
Yes.
It's not gonna fall. Oh, it is leaning. Okay, let me put it in the garage so it'll be a straight, smooth surface. Let's see. Got it? Okay. What do you think? Is it too high? Is it okay? What do you think?
It's okay.
Huh?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Mhm.
It's a good height?
Mhm.
Should I make it a little lower?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit? Okay. I can make one a little bit lower, okay?
Okay, can I see how do you make it?
You want to see how I make it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have to watch the video, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I want to.
Alright, and just like that, I now know it needs to be a little bit lower, even though she was trying to be nice and, you know, thoughtful of my heart and all that good stuff. I'm going to make the second one, not that one, but the second one a little bit smaller so that it can be more, you know, easy and height appropriate just for her. So, just so you all know and have an idea of what all took place and what was necessary for this here stool, all I had to use was one pallet, cut that one up. Well, actually it's two pallets, cut these in half to make the legs. This is actually one pallet board cut up in 4 pieces, 12 inches. This one is 19 inches high, so it's a little bit high. You know, I'll bring it down to probably about 15 inches. Well, maybe 10 inches. It should be pretty enough for them and things like that. So I'm gonna make it 10 inches. I use the side pieces here to connect. Those are scrap wood pieces. Y'all already know. Don't throw away your scrap wood because you can use it in future projects just as these, as I say in probably every other video. Anyway, and then just another pallet piece for the bottom. Cut it up in 4s, 10 inches a piece, and just put it around the bottom. Well, the long way is 10 inches, the short way is 9 inches. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just do one more. Hopefully this one is height appropriate for her, and we shall be good to go. So let me go ahead and do that, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun. And subscribe if you haven't already done so, man. Come on, man. Why not? Why haven't you? Come on. Hit that red button, turn to a gray button. Let's be family. Yeah. So now that I have everything cut for the small one, I can go ahead and assemble it. As you all saw, I was able to use the stool myself while cutting. So, hey, if it doesn't work for them, which obviously it doesn't work for Rain, it works for me, and it'll work for Crystal, and that matters. So now that I have all of my pieces cut, I will go ahead and start assembling, which this is going to be a tiny little stool, but hey, we'll call her back out and see if that is sufficient for her. And hopefully it is, so I can get a thumbs up. I love you, Daddy, and you did a great job, okay? I want all of those 3 things. So let me go ahead and assemble this stool, call her back out here, and see what we did, all right? Yeah! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just like that, the itty bitty stool, you can't even see it. The itty bitty stool has been created. Okay, let me go ahead and get Rain and we can see what we got. Okay, we'll take it back out to the front, hope for the best, and see her reaction. All right, Miss Rain, I made a shorter one for you. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Ooh. Uh-huh.
Tiny.
So what do you think? You like it? You crossing your feet? Is it perfect? Just like you? Is it perfect like you?
Well, I just like the big one. That's my
You like the big one? You don't like this one?
No, because this is kind of short. This is almost for big.
This is for baby brother? Oh my gosh. Okay,
This
well
is
I'll make
good.
one in between two, okay? So it could be one for you, one for baby brother, and one for mommy.
Because this is kind of small.
It's kind of small? Oh. Oh my, okay. Well, thank you. I mean, I tried to do my best.
But I'll make a different one.
Make it bigger?
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Okay, well thank you, Rain Rain.
Are you going to call me again?
No, this is it for tonight. Well, y'all heard it from her. I mean, I couldn't make that up. She said it was too short. It was the height for her brother. Therefore, I will have to make her another one that fits her height. So this one measured up to be 9 inches high. And so I guess at the end of the day, it was a little too short. But nonetheless, I will make her one in between. So there will be a mommy bear, a baby girl bear, and a baby boy bear. But to finish this off, I'm going to go ahead and sand it because, hey, we may use this before we paint it. Let us know in the comment section below what color paint do you think we should go with and choose. And as y'all know, we'll go for it. So let us know in the comments. I'm going to sand it. It'll be done. Until next time, love you all. Till next time, I'll see you. As I sand, let me go. Woo-hoo.